Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw some work tools together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the hammer starting from the part called nail puller. First a semicircle, a horizontal line, a vertical one, another horizontal line, and close the outline with a curved line. Now draw the head of the hammer, first two horizontal lines and then a rectangle. Draw two vertical lines for the handle of the hammer and then rectangle for the handle. Now draw the screwdriver, a vertical line, the tip, and another vertical line like I do. Draw a small rectangle. Then two vertical lines, and final rectangle for the handle. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Now draw the pliers starting from a circle. Trace the outline of the head, first a small oblique line, a vertical one, an arc with a tip, then a vertical line, and close the line with an oblique line. Now draw the handle, first an oblique line, a vertical one, a round line, another vertical line, a small semicircle, and then a horizontal line. Do the same thing for the second part of the handle. Draw a vertical line dividing the handle. Join the handle to the circle with a horizontal line and a vertical one on both sides of it. Draw a small circle inside the circle. It will be the zipper. Divide the head with a vertical line and an oval. Now draw the sew. Draw a rectangle for the handle. Inside it, draw a wavy line and then a horizontal one. Draw the blade with a zigzag line. A horizontal line, and then a vertical line. Wow! Our Our tools turned out really well. Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use both orange and red for the hammer handle. Use blue for the screwdriver handle. Color the grip of the pliers with purple. Use green for the saw handle. And use indigo for the metal part. Wow! Our tools are beautiful and ready to be used to several purposes. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!